Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, today our topic is about mohair fiber. We are discussing about the different textile fibers. In the last lectures, we have discussed about cotton fiber, banana fiber, wool fiber, rame fiber, jute fiber, kapuk fiber. And today we will discuss about the mohair fiber. In this topic, we will discuss the source of mohair fiber and large producing countries of mohair fiber and its processing steps and uses physical properties of mohair fiber and its chemical properties. So let's start mohair fiber. The introduction. Mohair fiber is a natural fiber, and mohair is animal hair fiber obtained from angora goat and a significant so-called specialty hair fiber. The word mohair is derived from Arabic word mukhar, goat's hair fabric. Most of the people confused about mohair fiber source and wool fiber source. Let me clear you. Angora wool is an entirely different material that is violently obtained from rabbits. So mohair fiber and wool fiber has a different source of origin. In the next video, we will also discuss about the differences of mohair fiber and wool fiber with respect to characteristics, source of origin, and its properties. What are the largest producers of mohair fiber today? The majority of mohair comes from South Africa, which is the largest farmer of Angora goats. As in previous slide we have discussed, the source of mohair fiber is Angora goats. So South Africa is the largest farmer of Angora goats and exporter of mohair. Other countries that are the largest producer of mohair are Argentina, Turkey, and US state of Texas. Mohair fiber introduction. It is the oldest textile fiber in use. Angora fiber is shown from the fiber. Diamond fiber for its high luster and shine. It is also called diamond fiber due to high luster and shine and further warm in winter season and cool in summer season. More expensive than most wool produced by sheep. And the last is its hygroscopic in properties. How mohair wool is made? There are different steps involved in this process. First is shearing of an angora goat. The shearing process is accomplished with large scissors, and also goat must be totally immobilized during the process to ensure that would not be hurted. So safety is an also element in this step. Second step is washing. Once mohair is shown from Angora goats, it is carefully washed to remove the impurities. And the third steps involve is washing, carding. Chunks of this wool are then made into strands. And the fourth step is spinning. These strands are then spun into yarn, and in most cases, automatic machines or threadle spinners are used to make this twisted cord. Last is finishing. After a final washing process, the mohair yarn is ready to woven into clothing process, and the next process is dyeing, bleaching, and garments with respect to its end users. Numerical features of mohair fiber diameter range 20 to 40 micrometer, its staple length 80 to 180 millimeter, Its moisture regain is 14 to 15%. At RH level is 65%. Its acid solubility is 5 to 12%. Its alkali solubility is 10 to 24%. These were the numerical features of mohair fiber. Further, we will discuss about the physical properties of mohair fiber. First is lustrous, as I have discussed in the first and second slide. It's lustrous, the natural shine of fiber caused by light being reflected. This shine help dyed mohair resist fading. Second property is durability. Are durable. Mohair can be twisted or bended without damaging because of its structure. Third is dyeability. Mohair dyes easily and brilliantly. And the fourth property is non-flammable. When mohair fiber is placed under or near the naked flame, it tends to shrivel, bead like ash. So it's non-flammable. These were the four physical properties of mohair fiber. Further, we will discuss about the categories of mohair fiber. There are six categories of mohair fibers or fabric. First is kid mohair. It is fine, used in knit and woven fabric. Second is yearling mohair. Same quality like first one, kid mohair, but durable. So used in shawls and throws. Third is young adults, coarser than the first two categories. First two categories, kid mohair and yearling mohair, and used in the socks, mittens, and blankets. Fourth is adult mohair, good for outerwear, upholstery. Fifth, its category is the coarsest mohair used for doll wigs, Santa Claus, breeds and carpets, as it has a different application with respect to its categories. The last is satin mohair. It is last grade of mohair. So these are also known as different grades of mohair fiber with respect to its end use applications. Uses of mohair fiber fabrics are jumpers, scarf, socks, coats, and suits and carpets, as I have discussed in the previous video very clear, previous slide very clearly. Categories of mohair fibers we have discussed. It is this slide is about its structure. Mohair is covered by a layer of sheet like a hardened cuticle cells. The cuticle or the outer layer plays an important role for the whole fiber. The outer layer or cuticle consists of hydrophobic epicuticle repellent. Mohair is similar in appearance to wool. Most of the properties matches with the wool, but there are a lot of differences also. The cuticle scales are quite thin and flat, about zero point 0.6 micrometer in thickness. The question is mohair is a protein fiber? This protein fiber is obtained from the hair of Angora goat and fabric is produced like a silk fabric. It is one of the most significant hair fiber. It is also known as a hair fiber. In the next video, we will discuss about mohair fiber and wool fiber differences and similarities. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, your concept and you have learned about the introduction about mohair fiber. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.